Hello, my name is James. Today, I am proud to present you with How the Law Works. This is a short lesson, but true. Let us begin. How the Law Works. The law of identical harvest or cause and effect is impersonal and can be used to bring into your experience anything you can conceive. Since creation is finished, every possible state already exists. Your fusion with a particular state, imagining with feeling what you would experience were you in that state, causes that state to be projected on your screen of space. This law cannot be changed or broken and always reproduces in your outer world the exact duplicate of any belief you consent to as true. If you would change your world, you must change your beliefs. Since consciousness is the only cause, you cannot blame others for the conditions which presently exist, nor can fate or chance be the cause of that which you are now experiencing. Nothing can alter the course of events in your life except a change in your own consciousness. Whatever is appearing in your world now, although it appears real and an unalterable fact, is a reflection of previous activity in your own consciousness. Therefore, a change in consciousness will reflect the change in the future just as surely as past beliefs reflect the present. Man is pure formless consciousness, and that which he conceives himself to be is an illusion or reflection of the particular ideas he holds true. These illusions exist only so long as man focuses his attention upon them and gives them life. The conscious mind forms beliefs and opinions from the evidence of the senses or the perceived outer world. The creative power within each of us accepts as true that which the conscious mind impresses upon it. Your creative power takes those ideas, which are thought of with feeling, and projects them in your outer world. It is important to remember that not all thoughts are creative. Only those which are believed to be true or which are joined with feeling create the circumstances and events that you will encounter. Therefore, emotions such as anger, fear, love, or joy are creative. You must guard the emotions which you allow to enter your consciousness just as you would discriminate in allowing a stranger into your home. You cannot allow negative emotions to fill your mind without suffering the consequences of experiencing the state with which those emotions are joined. Fear of loss brings loss into your world. You could take every outward precaution to guard against loss, but if you fear loss, you will most certainly experience it in your affairs. Feelings of love and joy create happy events and loving relationships. Feeling abundant brings riches into your life. A person who is unloving or suspicious and feels that others take advantage of him, draws to himself that which he believes. No matter what he does externally, his relationships with others will reflect that which he accepts as true. He may want a loving relationship, but he can draw to himself only that which he is conscious of being. Like literally does attract like. As within, so without. Consciousness is reality, and that which is perceived by our senses and appears so real is but the shadow of that which we believe ourselves and the world to be. Wow, that was very powerful. We were all taught, or learned all of our beliefs from other people, parents, siblings, teachers, society, news, etc. We didn't have a choice. We just accepted as true everything that we heard or saw. Now, I know that if we are aware, we can change the beliefs that don't serve us to something that does, just by changing the emotion that we have attached to that belief. Becoming aware is easier said than done. Habits or programs run on autopilot. Becoming aware takes persistent practice, but it gets easier as you practice. I'm so thankful, and would like to take this moment out of honor and respect to thank those who have made this possible. Thank you, Rhonda Byrne, The Secret, Dr. Joe Dispenza, Evolve Your Brain, Gregg, Braden, Bruce Lipton, Lewis Howes and his many guests, Brian Scott, Reality Revolution, he turned me on to Neville. I'd also like to thank Matt Parr, Jake Ducey, Thomas Garetz, Kevin Stratvert, Alen from Smart Video Tactics, Caffeinated Blogger, and so many more. If you haven't already, please click on the subscribe button below, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, I'd like to thank you for those who watched this whole video. It would really help. Thank you again. I wish the very best to all.